All right, we are out here today at Dodge Creek down in Portville. You can see on the map here. But yeah, we're gonna be doing a little bit of trout fishing today for some stock trout. Got on a little Panther Martin here. It's pretty lethal. Gets the job done. Catch us some fish, and hopefully we'll get some today. But we're gonna try to get down closer to the water so we can get some good casts in, get some fish. All right, guys, we got one. Can't tell exactly what it is, but it's a good size one. It's definitely a good size one. Oh, it's a nice brown. It's a nice brown. Frick, I'm definitely not in the best spot to land this thing. Oh no, oh no. Okay. Hey, let's go, baby, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, that's a good size brown, that's a good brown. Nice. Hell, he's got a good hook set. Alright. I didn't think I was gonna need the pliers. Oh, I should have done this before. Oh, he's free. All right, guys, let's go. Let's go. Nice little brown. First one of the year. That's +1 for the kid. He's about, I don't know, a little like 13 inches. Good size one. All right, let's put it back. Sweet. There's like he swam right away. He probably just got a big butt crack shot just from me bending over there. Let's go. +1, baby, +1. All right. We caught him back on the far side over there. You bit it right down that drop. Let's go. +1, +1. All right. That's what I like to see. First one of the year. Not a bad size one either. Not a bad size one. I can totally work with that. Actually, believe it or not, when I stopped the video earlier, I actually switched over to a same bait, but all gold color. You know what happened? It happened. We got one. Let's get back out there. What are the chances we get one on this next cast? Would we go bananas? Oh, shit. Oh, the GoPro's facing down. One of them just surfaced real, like straight down my rod right over there. It was a good size one. I'd like to get one on the camera. I freaking classic. I caught one when the camera was turned off. But we'll get one. Oh, that was right on top of them. I can tell my bait's snagged. You can usually feel the blade flutter. Alright guys, so in this clip here you can see what the actual bait looks like underwater and what the fish are seeing. It's a little difficult to see because I'm definitely starting up the water a little bit, but you can see it flicking around there and that little blade gets a little flash, and them fish love that thing. Let it sink. Check it out. Stupid duck. Oh. Oh, frick. She had a bite. Oh, jeez Louise. I wasn't looking. It's always when you're not paying attention. Ooh, smack the bridge. Hit it. Yeah, that was a good one right on the other side. I gotta remember when I'm recording to not hold my hands right in front of the camera. Because you guys probably don't want to sit there and just look at my hands all the time. Ooh, I like that one. Yeah, it's probably at least four feet deep straight ahead here. All right, there are definitely some fish out there. I'm seeing a lot surface. They're coming up and just splashing the top of the water. So that's what we like to see. That's how we know they're there, getting active. Oh, I don't know if you guys could see that. A big one just striked at it. Oh, man. I saw that. Holy crap. Holy crap, right freaking there, right where that riffle is. Holy crap. It might have been the same one that was jumping over at our bait before, but jeez Louise, it was looking good. The quick retrieve, he was liking it. Oh, baby, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Is the GoPro running? Let's go. The GoPro's running, baby. Let's go. We got it. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, he's a nice one. It's another brown, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, baby, look at that. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Oh. All right. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. It's a real nice one. All right. He's barely hooked. Oh, come on. Big fat fingers, man. We can't squeeze anything. All right. Take the glass off. Another nice brown, boys and girls. Ow. Dang, let go, man. He's freaking biting down. Oh, there you go. I really just need you to open your mouth, my man. I could just get you. All right. Another nice brown. Let's go. Let's go. Keep it up. Keep it up. All right, a nice second fish, boys and girls. Let's go. That's what we like to see. That was probably the same fish that striked at it before. And you know where you? Hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. We're going right back in the same spot, boys. All right, that's electric. We got two today. That's a pretty weak sauce cast, no kizzle. But he striked on it at the fast retreat. The fast retreat seemed to be the way to go for that guy. He did eat that, and he did like it, so. And it's not too deep right there. I don't know how deep it is, but I'm not thinking it's too deep. So maybe they're moving a little bit shallow. All right. Over the crap over there. That's so electric, guys. Let's go. I'm so hyped right now. Oh, what just happened? Just hit me in the back of the head. Oh, this is a freaking, oh my jeez. Oh my goodness, what happened? Oh, there's a bunch of twists. Oh, that just busted me in the back of the head. It's like 15 twists in the tip of my line. Oh, it's wrapped around the tip. The tip of my... All right, we good, we straight. All right. Oh, I don't like that. Why did that bend like that? Oh yeah, there's definitely some twist in my line. Minor setback. Just a little bit of adversity. Whew. Right. Yeah, it's looking tangled. Look how twisted that puppy is. It's so twisted. You see, like when it's spinning right, the blade. I'll just wait for it to be done. When it's spinning right, this thing should be the only thing spinning in the water. The whole thing shouldn't be going and like twisting out. When it twists up, then it starts messing with you. Starts getting you acting stupid. Ooh, that was good. We're in that one. Oh, maybe a little too quick. Okay, my hands are... Oh, all right, boys and girls, we might have just screwed ourselves. Might have just lost the one. Good. Ooh, that's right. We just started it through one of those the gaps on the bridge. Jeez Louise. You know I got that dog in me. We got it out. A little bit of finesse, a little bit of love. That's how it's done. I just smacked the side of the ridge again. Okay, I gotta chill with that. It ain't working. Or is it? Haven't caught a rainbow trout yet. There's some rainbow trout in here. Nice, sounds good. God bless America, guys. I just turned the GoPro off. Come on now. That's it. Oh, that looks like a good size one. All right. Oh, stay out of the rocks. Wee. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We got another one, baby. That's a good one. That's might be the best one yet. All right, easy, big mama. Easy, big mama. All right. Let's go. Oh, they smacked him with that. All right, let's go. Come on, stupid. I gotta like. Come on. All right. It's another good size one, guys. It's another good one. All right. Ooh, you got a good hook set on this puppy. Ooh, that was a great hook set. Okay. Guys, this might be the biggest one yet. Let's go. Beautiful brown trout. How's that look? Beautiful. Look at the markings on him. That's a pretty fucking fish. Oh, I'm sorry for swearing. That's a pretty fish. Look at, he's got the bright spots. Nice. Let me get a picture of the phone. That was a beautiful fish, guys. Let's go. That's number 3. Oh, let's go. So that's the third fish. We are still in the same spot we've been fishing. We fished it up there a little bit. We came down from up there. But I'll tell you what, guys, you wouldn't catch me dead fishing here in the summer, because right here, like I'm hugging this wall, and this thing just looks like Spider Central. No, thank you. I wouldn't be caught here dead in the summertime. But right now it's a little bit cold for spiders. I haven't even looked, but I'm not thinking there's gonna be any spiders here now. But whew, zooey mama, let's go. Number three on the all gold Panther Martin, baby. Number 4. I'll get some video of it flying underwater for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like down there. But number 3, let's go. It's beautiful out here, guys. Of course. Oh no! Ow, that freaking hurt. That just came out of my head, but I blocked it. Oh no, guys, we just hooked into. Oh no! Curses, that was a good one. Okay, I tried up something to. Ow. Okay, my hand. Oh geez Louise, guys, that thing just came unhooked and it came straight in my head, and I freaking caught it, dropped it. Jeez Louise, why did I try to do that? Well, I wasn't gonna let myself get hit in the head. Curses, we just had one. Let's go right back out there, right in the same spot. Not the same spot, but close enough. Curses, that was freaking right in the center, man. Right in the center. I think I lurk it right in the center. Alright, that's it for today, guys. We caught 3 brown trout. All pretty good size, you can't be upset about that. And it's a beautiful day. It's nice warm out. But thanks for watching, and we'll get you at the next one. Make sure you tell your homies. Hopefully they get a good watch out of this, and thanks for watching.